Begin by finding a comfortable seated position. You can sit in Padmasana or Sukhasana or simply sit in a chair if that feels more comfortable. Gently close your eyes and take a moment to adjust your posture. Sit with your spine erect and shoulders relaxed. Place your hands gently on your knees or in your lap. Relax your face, soften your jaw, and allow your facial muscles to release any tension. Bring your awareness to your body. Feel the ground beneath you supporting your sitting bones. Gently observe the sensation of your body, noticing any areas of tension. If you feel tightness anywhere, subtly adjust to ensure comfort. Now, shift your awareness to external sounds. Without getting attached to any one sound, allow your awareness to gently move from one sound to another, listening with a passive awareness. Shift your attention to the sensation of touch. Feel the clothes against your skin, the touch of the air on your face, and the feeling of the breath entering and leaving your nostrils. Be aware of the touch of your breath. Feel the air as it flows in and out through your nostrils. Now, gently turn your attention inward. Let your thoughts come and go freely. Do not try to control or suppress them. Just observe the thoughts as they arise in your mind. Notice the flow of your thoughts without judgment or analysis. Simply be a witness to your mind's activity. Allow each thought to come and go without getting attached or engaging emotionally. Be aware of the nature of your thoughts, but remain a detached observer, observing without any reaction. Now, let go of all the spontaneous thoughts, allow them to dissolve. Focus your attention on creating a single thought, perhaps a pleasant memory, a positive affirmation, or an intention. Focus your whole awareness on this one thought and allow your entire mind to concentrate on it. Be mindful not to let any other thoughts distract you. If another thought arises, gently bring your focus back to the single thought you have chosen. Just observe this thought without becoming emotionally attached to it. Witness it without any judgment. Once you are ready, let go of this thought and allow it to dissolve naturally. Allow any new thoughts that arise to be observed and then let go of them. Create another thought, perhaps one that brings you joy or peace. Focus your entire awareness on this new thought. Once again, do not let any distractions or judgments pull you away. Remain completely focused on this one thought. When you are ready, release this thought and let it dissolve. Now, shift your awareness from the individual thoughts themselves to the space from which they arise. Be aware of the source of the thoughts. Observe the silent space within you, the stillness behind each thought. Let go of any attachment to the thoughts themselves and instead experience the deeper silence from which they emerge. Feel the vastness of this inner silence and observe the subtle shifts in your mind as you remain in this space of pure awareness. Allow your mind to be free of all thoughts. Enter into a space of pure silence. If a thought arises, notice it and gently let it go. Return to the stillness, to the deeper inner silence. Stay in this space of pure awareness. Let go of any attachment to thoughts, feelings, or distractions. Feel the profound peace of this inner silence and allow it to expand throughout your mind, body, and being. Stay in this state for a few moments, fully immersed in the silence within you. Gradually bring your awareness back to the external world. Begin to notice the sounds around you, the feeling of your body, the sensation of your breath. Take a few deep breaths in and out. Bring your awareness back into your body. Gently rub your palms together and place them over your closed eyes. Slowly open your eyes, bringing with you the peace and stillness you have cultivated. As you complete this practice, take a moment to notice how your mind feels. You may experience a deep sense of calm, clarity, or inner peace. With regular practice, Antarmouna helps cultivate mindfulness, emotional balance, and a deeper connection to inner self. Thank you.